In this video, you will learn how to get big discounts on Nike shoes and apparel, sign up for Nike's membership, create a free Nike's account to get exclusive deals and early product releases, check the sales section, visit the Nike website or app to explore the sales and clearance section for your discounted items, use promo codes and coupons, search online for valid Nike promo codes and coupons before checking out to save extra money. Shop during major sales events. Take advantage of events such as Black Friday, Cyber Monday or end of season sales for bigger discounts on your Nike apparel. Consider refurbishing or outlet products. Check Nike outlet stores or online outlets sections for higher quality products at lower prices. Follow Nike on social media. Follow Nike on platforms such as Twitter, Facebook or Instagram to stay updated with flash sales or special promotions they may be running. Now you know how to get big discounts on Nike shoes and apparel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.